It's the digital age and we all have cell phones. And the question really is, what happens when a police officer wants to talk to you about the cell phone?
Now, we've previously talked about the consent to search issue. When a police officer, for any reason, asks, hey, is it okay to search your cell phone? That's no different than searching a car, searching a home. We have enormous amounts of personal information now stored on our phones. The simplest and best answer when an officer asks to search your phone is to simply say no. There's just way too much private information that frankly is nobody's business.
We really have the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution as a special thing in this country because it does place a limit on what government can do in terms of invading your privacy. So when it comes to your cell phone, you can just say no. Then it rises to the question of whether they can seize your cell phone in order to search it later. And generally, yes, they can. If they think it's the proceeds of a crime, they can go ahead and grab that cell phone and then try to get a warrant for it. They need two warrants, though. They need first the warrant to actually download your information, and secondly, the warrant in order to actually access that information. And those are two separate things that they need to take to the judge in order to ask permission to, and both of them have to be justified by a probable cause standard.
And at that point, if they have probable cause, it's out of your hands. The phone will be seized, that information will be downloaded, whether you agree or not, and will be examined. But that also means that you're probably clearly the target of a criminal investigation at that point. If they have enough probable cause to get past a judge, then they're clearly looking for something and they clearly believe that something is on your phone.
As a side note here, don't help them. Don't try to explain something. Don't say, hey, that picture is here or there. Just keep your mouth shut because you're the target of a criminal investigation and you can't help yourself at that point. Now, secondly, there's a whole different approach when you're in an airport.
Yeah, if you're in an airport, the government has a much greater range of options to get into your phone, or to make your life really difficult if you're denying the government consent to examine your phone at an airport. I think in that case, you really need to seriously consider if you're flying. If there's anything on your phone you don't want the government to look at, don't bring that phone.
No, just take it off your phone. That's the best thing that you can do because they really don't need a full probable cause warrant in order to take a look at what is on your phone when you're crossing a border or when you're going onto an airplane. The rules are just dramatically different.
So if you don't want them to look at it, don't bring it.